Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to reset and replace a bookmark area in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click on this bookmark option, and here you will find this bookmark, and click on this bookmark option, this bookmark second, and this first one, this bookmark, and I'll say this page bookmark option. Simply go another page or your desired location and display. Now right click on this bookmark, and here you will find the set destination option. Click here and see this, and go first page and click on this bookmark and see this page now bookmark, and bookmark area now says, and click here. And also I'll change this bookmark area. I'll change this bookmark area. I'll go here and right click on this bookmark and simply select set destination and see this bookmark also says, and also I'll change this bookmark area, this one, and go anywhere there and simply right click on this bookmark and set destination and see this, all of this bookmark position now says. Yeah, this is in this way we can replace or change bookmark destination. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.